the straight line K has equation y equals 2x minus 5, the straight line J is perpendicular to line K and passes through the point minus 4, 8. Find the equation of line J. So the general equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Now, if J is perpendicular to K, then the gradient will be the negative reciprocal of the gradient of K. So if the gradient of K is 2, then the negative reciprocal of that is found by finding the number that we times by to give negative 1. So 2 times what is negative 1? So do it backwards. Negative 1 divided by 2 is that something. So my negative reciprocal is minus a half. The quick way of doing that is starting with 2, imagine it as 2 over 1, flip the fraction and put a minus in front. So I've got that my gradient is minus a half, so I've got y equals minus a half x plus c. And I want to figure out what c is now, so I need to use the coordinates that's been given, and I'm going to substitute in the value of x and y that's been given. So y is 8, and x is minus 4. So I've got 8 is equal to negative a half times negative 4 is going to be positive 2, and then I need to take away 2 from both sides, so it's going to be 6. So my final answer is y equals negative a half x plus 6.